Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to my channel and good morning and good afternoon to everybody who's watching the video. It's me, Kevin, and you're watching How to Guide YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into Binance with the QR code. Now, if you guys don't know, you guys can also log in into your Binance desktop using your QR code. Alright, now how you guys can do that is by watching this video. If you guys want to log in using a QR code, you need to log in into your Binance using your phone first. Alright, so first you need to log in into your Binance in your phone and log in into your account. After you do that, basically then only you can access your account on your desktop. Now remember, the account which you are using to scan your QR code on your phone, that account is going to be logged in on your desktop as well. So let me show you guys how it works. But before that, if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. And without any further ado, let's get right into the video. As you guys can see, this is Binance on my phone and I have already logged in into my account. Now what I need to do, I can click on this button over here to scan the QR code. Now as you guys can see, I'm on the QR code scanning section. Now what I need to do is on my desktop, I need to go to Binance.com like this. After I go to Binance.com, it's going to take me to the official website of Binance. Now once I'm over here, I need to click on login over here. Now once I click on login, it's going to show like a QR code thing at the side. And once you see that QR code, you just scan it like this. After you scan it, you need to wait for some time. Once you see it, you just click on authorize. Once you click on authorize from over here, you should be able to log in into your Binance account on your desktop. You need to wait for like 1 minute. Alright, so be a bit patient and you should be able to log in on your desktop as well. So that's basically how you guys can log in into Binance using your QR code scanning as well. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys did, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer, guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.